Now that we're getting into using your Money Kitchen to track expenses, we probably don't want to go too much further before we check our bank balance to see if we're on the same page with the bank.
Exactly. That's exactly right. We can do all kinds of tracking, but unless we get reality checks, we can go into la-la land and not know it. So we have to contact the bank either by phone or by online or bank statement. And if we look and behold, in fact, on January 11th, the balance is $897.37. We know that no one else has accessed our bank and we're locked into reality, which is fantastic. That's what you want to do, be locked into reality. So this whole Money Kitchen ensures that we are locked into reality on a regular basis.
That's actually one of the reasons why I like using my debit card as opposed to my credit card, because it can take many days before the balance is updated.
Credit cards have posting dates and purchase dates, and it can be a week or more between the two dates. It's horrible. Debit cards are much better. But you know, there's another benefit here that it's important to talk about, and we can customize information. So let's say on the in fact, when we purchased gas there, there was a new Shell station at the corner. That was the first purchase. We can insert a little comment in there and just say this was our first purchase from the Shell station.
I guess we can do that either by just going right-click, insert comment, or you could even just click F2.
And these comments are tremendous memory aids for us. And what I like most about them is that they can be customized in size and then hidden totally so that we only see them when we hover over them.